Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart real quick, and you can see it right here. You see this move up to the daily mid-band and the 50-day exponential moving average, the red and green lines that are coming together there right around 43, 44. They have not been able to get over these lines now for about 4 days. The title of this webcast is The Bulls Must Perform. They must perform, and they must perform today. This is it. You can walk it up off of 2107.75 all you want, with a band ride, not a band ride, or a sketchy band ride with hitting the band every other day. But once you get up to the mid band on the daily, you have to show your cards. That's where the rubber meets the road. Are you for real or not? If the Bulls are for real, and we've seen this time and time again over the years, they'll hop up over the top, and off we go. We're going to go see 63 half and 68. If the Bulls are not for real, then we're going to bump our head, just like we've been bumping our head for the last 24 hours through the beige book, through a debate. I had a lot of fun tweeting that last night. And through Draghi this morning. And if all of these events can't get price over the daily midband, then the Bulls have a problem. They have a serious problem. And this remains then a futures contract that wants to trade between the mid band and the lower band. And if that's the case, then our baseline assumption has always been in that part of the band to sell rallies. You want to trade between the middle band and the upper band, we buy dips. But if you're going to do this, we sell rallies. So you're seeing a push now from the 44 half, post-debate spike. Now we're down into 34 off of Draghi. If we're really just coming down here to weekly pivot at 33, then I would expect a bounce. But if this type of price action continues, the bounce from here is a sell. Okay? Whether that's a bounce to 39.40, whether that's a bounce, all the way back up to retest the 42 area. If they can't get over the top, if it's anything that resembles a lower high, it needs to be sold. Now, I would caution you at this particular moment in time about buying these pushes down. You can be long the bounces, but you have to be long with a mind towards selling them. Draghi's in the middle of a press conference, so I'm not touching this. So once that all finishes up, I think we're going to bounce. I think we're going to bounce and we're going to make a lower high. The question is, then can the Bears get the job done and do that secondary move down? Yesterday was all about both sides asserting themselves. Let's go to an hourly chart. Yesterday was all about both sides asserting themselves. You can see this drop on the ECB. You've got both sides asserting themselves, but then nobody really being able to do that second move that's going to finish the other side off. For example, you push down here from the 24s and you go finish it up down here and go deal with 18. Bears couldn't do it. You get up here and start playing around with 43s. You want to break above here. You want to seal this off as support and head higher. Bulls couldn't do it. So we continue to be in here. Now, if that's a trading range, then we're going to head all the way back down to 26 and then we're going to bounce. So we talked about a trading range yesterday or the day before, and that may be all that's happening here. But just be careful and understand that the onus now is on the Bulls to perform, whether that's to preserve the bottom of a trading range or whether that is to try to get up over the top of daily midband on a daily chart and head higher. However you slice it, the pressure's on the Bulls right now. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us over at Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well, everybody.